Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out today. Whoops, forgot to pull my chain out. All right, here we go. Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is super exciting. I am partnering with a company called Voogueme. I have worked with them several times before, and they make affordable fashion glasses that ship direct to your door as long as you have your current prescription. So if you guys want to check out some new affordable glasses that I picked out from Voogueme, then definitely keep on watching. Alright you guys, so this is the package that came in the mail. It did come via DHL, I believe, either DHL or the post office. You literally just rip the box open. Comes in this bright orange shade, which I love. You are going to get a few coupon codes and promotions inside the box. You're gonna get a way to measure your eyes, so if you need to know your eye measurement, you can use this, so definitely keep that. And then you're going to get your glasses. They each come in one of these Voogueme duster bags, and then when you open it, your glasses each will also come with a glasses cleaner. And it'll be wrapped around your glasses, and then there you go. There are your glasses. Let's see how many pairs I ended up getting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 glasses. I am super excited. I'm pretty sure that these all came with a prescription, I'm pretty sure. Did these come with a prescription? I don't know. Let's see. Did they come with a prescription? Actually, I don't think these came with a prescription at all, because I'm wearing my contacts today, and usually if my glasses have a prescription and I already have my contacts in, I'll literally be blinded. But these don't seem to have a prescription at all, which is a little unfortunate, you guys. I definitely wanted some frames with a prescription, but let's see how this goes. I'm going to try out all 6 pairs of glasses for you. I'm going to zoom the camera in so we can get a little bit closer, get some close-up shots, and you guys will let me know what you guys think of this glasses haul. So let's go ahead and get started. So this is the first pair of lenses. I really like these. They are hollow right here in the corner, and then they have this really pretty cream and brown shade to it. I really like these. I love the shape, and I love that detail in the corner. Let's see how they look on. All right, so these are super cute. Absolutely loving how these look. These are super cute. Love that they are wide and cat framed, but also like dainty at the same time, bold, but still neutral. Like these glasses are pretty much everything you can sort of ask for a pair of fashion frames that are still sort of neutral, but also offering that pop. I definitely like these. I would give these a 10 out of 10. Wow, look at these. Lime green and chocolate brown. Everything you can ever want for fall. The shape is super dope. They are definitely thick and bold. And the shape is so interesting. These are definitely giving. I love how bold these are. They're wide. And the color definitely pops. Talk about a statement frame. Wow. So the rhinestones go all the way around as well. Love how this part of the frame is completely open and then it starts again underneath. The shape of these are so interesting. I think these would be great as sunglasses as well. So cool, so sleek, stylish, bold. Not for the faint of heart, okay? If you stepping in with these, you better be ready for all the excitement that will come along with rocking these glasses. See what we got, see what we got. Okay, we got some sunglasses. Woo, look at these babies. Yes, love these. Wow, the gold details for me. It's the gold details for me. Look at these shades. When I tell you, okay, where is baby girl going? You gonna catch me in LA with these, just slaying. Just slaying, just a slight slay. Okay, and when people ask me, are these your Chanels? Are these Prada? Are these Ray-Ban? No, Voogueme. Look it up. Okay, yeah, because she's just that classy. We're talking luxury for the low. Yes, ma'am. And do not think that you no longer need shades just because it's fall. You still need them. They are still giving and they are still adding to outfits and out here slaying everyone, okay? The sun is still shining. It's October. It might not be hot, but you still need a pair of shades in your car. Ooh, yes, 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 yes. Look at that pop of red along with the tortoise. Love that. And gold detailing on the side. Yep, cute. Very, very cute. Yes, love these. These are super cute. And I'm wearing lashes today. Sometimes when you wear lashes, it kind of like messes up your glasses wearing experience. But to be quite honest, these are working well with these lashes. If you like the lashes that I'm rocking today, these are Flirt from my website, GLEEmade.com. Check them out. Use the coupon code JessMonique. Save yourself some money at checkout on GLEEmade, okay? You got the clear at the top. Well, I guess it's more like a brown at the top, and then your tortoise at the bottom. I like the shape of these. Oh yeah, these are giving neutral, but still class. Classy neutrals, I'm loving for the fall. Just like this hair color, like these frames and this hair color are the perfect fall combination for subtle yet stylish that's still show-stopping, you know? And for our last pair, I'm almost sad. This is the last pair in the haul. Wow, and if saving the best for last was a pair of glasses, okay? Saving the best for last. Beautiful hunter green with tortoise accents. Can we say green is absolutely the in color for the season, any shade. So of course we have to have a pair of glasses in green, okay? It would only be right. Look at the shape. Look at the contrast between the tortoise and the green. It's absolutely giving next to these fall autumn tones of gold, brown, dark earth tones with the green, which is also an earth tone. It's giving. Okay? Make sure you are incorporating green and earth tones into your fall color palette, because green is definitely a moment. And I'm loving. It's a yes for me. It's a total yes. My faves are definitely these neutrals, these shades. I'm loving these with this really interesting gold detail at the top. And then my fave are these as well. So we definitely got some winners. Make sure you guys are checking out Voogueme. They have some amazing affordable frames that can be prescription or not. And they also have sunglasses for you guys. Make sure you're checking them out. I do have a coupon code for you all. I'll leave it in the description box down below. Make sure you guys are following me on Instagram as well as TikTok. Everywhere online, I'm Jess Monique Thomas. I'm definitely growing in all those places. If you guys like video content, I definitely have a bunch of little shorts and things on TikTok and on Instagram Reels. And I typically update my stories on all platforms daily, even here on YouTube. If you haven't checked out YouTube stories, it is available. You can definitely click the icon with my face. As long as there's a red circle around it, there are stories there for you to check out. Same thing on Instagram, and then TikTok, of course, you can check out all the videos that are there. Thank you guys so much for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up. It super helps me out to beat this crazy YouTube algorithm. Make sure you guys are sharing this video. Share it with a friend. Share it with a eyeglass lover. Share this video with you know who, your mama. All right, you guys, see you in the next one. Peace.